again, my friends. This is Tanya at Psychic Crafts. I have a collaboration to share with you today. These are from Kokarosa. I got some dies from them recently, and so I wanted to make sure that I shared them with you. They do have a YouTube program where you can pick out some dies and share them and take some photos and do their projects. And anyways, I got a few and I wanted to share. I got this camera. This is perfect size for journaling or to put in a journal or on a card. It's about 3 inches by 2 3/4. I just love this one. It's perfect size to go with a, let me see if I can reach it here, like a mini Polaroid. This is my friend's dog, Jersey. Isn't he cute? But something like that for like a layout or a card would be perfect. So I got this little camera. And then I got this little cooking set. You can see the pots and pans with their lids. And then there's an apron here. Super cute. It's very tiny and much smaller than I thought. I was hoping it was going to be bigger, but it's going to be great for a card, or it can be still a decorative piece on a journal or something like that. I've got a lot of people in my family that cook, so I'm looking forward to using this. The apron is the biggest piece. I'm knocking things over with my ruler here. And it's just about 2 inches by 2 inches. So it'll be about 2 inch square, about the size of a Twinkie. So I got that one. I'll be making something with that soon. I got this one, is like tree branches. I'm thinking this is going to be great for a Halloween project that I'm working on for a collaboration. And I'll be showing you guys that later on. But this is about 4 inches high by 1.5. So it's going to be great for like a border or something like that. Or maybe you could use it not as a tree and just as a decorative piece or a layering or something like that. I think it'll be great for Halloween. It'd be great with black, like a black silhouette, but you could use it as a layering piece, maybe in gold or something like that, and put something over it. I don't know. There's a lot of opportunities for that. I think I'll do it both ways and show you guys that when I do. I also got this piece. This is like an edge piece, a page. Oh, no. You know what this is? I thought it was like an edge. Well, I can use it that way for sure. This is a crown. This is a crown, and hang on a second. I mean, it's what you make of it, but this is, oh, I know what I got this for. I tried to pick things that, for projects that I wanted to work on, and I had forgotten about this piece coming. So this is actually a crown, and you touch the ends, but I was thinking it would be great for like a page. Let me make sure there's no address on here, like a page edge or something like that, for like a tab or something, or a card decorative thing, like a scallop. It could be a layering piece under some ephemera and stuff like that. It looks like a doily. So there's lots of things you can do with this. It might be made for a crown, but it's perfect for lots of other things too. So I'll be using that. It'll be fun. And then last but not least, I got this. Now you might be wondering, what in the world is that? You guys, this is the coolest thing, and I was so excited. This is the piece I was waiting for. I love this, and it cuts like butter. Beautiful, beautiful. This is what it makes. You cut out 12 of those, and I hope you can see this joy. Look at that. This is on regular cardstock. I think next time I'm going to make it on thicker cardstock or layer the pieces, but it makes this wonderful ball. You just slip the pieces into each other. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm going to probably make a bunch of these to go on my Christmas tree. They're huge, but I think that they'll be lots of fun. And you just slip the pieces together. So each one of these cuts, you slip another one in. So with 12 of these cut out, you make this beautiful, beautiful decorative ornament or ball. Or I thought it would be pretty if you strung some lights inside so that the lights will shine. I absolutely love this die. So very, very exciting. I wanted to make sure I hopped on and shared these with you. You guys, I'm going to have the links below, as well as a discount code. So if you're interested in these, you can go check it out and get your own. So thank you so much for watching. Go check out Kokarosa dies. They are amazing. I love them. And we'll see you next time.